Hi! In front of me is Doogee S40 and today I would like to show you how you can change the theme of your keyboard on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Then choose System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and finally Gboard. Over here you need to click on Theme and tap on Show More to see all available ones. When you're ready you can click on one of those images like that one. Click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and finally choose Apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!